How can I use TikTok for my business? What is going on, guys? Today we're gonna be talking about TikTok for your business. So if you wanna know how to use it, why is that you need to use it, and what kind of content you need to post in order to help your business with this new platform, then let's get into it. Before we get going, I want you to know that TikTok allows you to reach hundreds of thousands of, a bunch of people in a matter of a few seconds with just one video. And if you want to learn a little bit more about growing on TikTok, I created this video right here that shows you how I got almost 500,000 followers in less than 2 months. So let me start with the why. Why do you need to be on TikTok? That's just a platform for, a bunch of little kids like doing dance moves and like making funny jokes and things like that. The reason is awareness. The more people that know your business, the more business you will eventually have. This is the reason why Nike pays millions of dollars to a single athlete for that person to wear the brand and nothing else for a bunch of years. Because the point here is getting people to know the brand. Same with TikTok. You have the power of reaching hundreds of thousands of people in a matter of a few seconds to show your face, your product, your brand, whatever it is that you want to promote with your business. There is no other way to reach that many people for free in this space in time. If you are a business owner, if you have some sort of business, I'm sure you've been doing ads maybe on, Facebook or any other platform. And if you make the math, let's say that you want to reach 1 million people. I don't know what the math is, I'm probably gonna do it right here. Yeah, that's all the money that you need to spend to reach 1 million people. And guess what? You can just open TikTok, create a 15-second video on that, and within a day, within a few hours, you can reach that many people for free. Free. Yeah, for free. Second thing that I want to talk about is that if you are someone with a business like mine, in which you're probably starting, and you don't have a lot of money to just, throw in a bunch of ads. You're like me who, I depend on organic traffic, then guess what's gonna happen? And this is something that not a lot of people know. When you jump on TikTok, you have the option to link your other social media platforms, your other social media accounts into your profile. So whenever you get a bunch of followers and people coming into your TikTok profile, they can just click on a button and that's gonna take them directly into your Instagram account. Let's say that you wanna do it with Instagram. The point is that over the last 2 months that I've been working, putting my work on TikTok, I gained over 7,000 new followers on my Instagram page. TikTok is not only gonna help you with your business inside the platform, but it's gonna help you throw in a lot of traffic to all the social media platforms you have, and eventually people are gonna get to know you everywhere. Now, how can you actually get people sign up for your newsletter or give you your phone number or whatever it is that you take from people as leads? The point here is getting some sort of momentum with your page. And as soon as you get some sort of momentum with your page, which is by creating good content, that's the next bullet point we're gonna talk about, then you can just throw any other video on that platform asking and inviting people to join your newsletter, or just simply download your free ebook or download your free workouts, whatever it is that your business is about. And because you have traffic in your TikTok profile, there's gonna be a bunch of people going and watching all the videos of your page. And so guess what's gonna happen? Let's say you have a video with 1 million followers here, and right next to it, you post another video telling people, let's say for example, you're in the fitness business, anybody that goes into fitness.com, it's gonna get my free workout, the workout that I have identified to achieve my dream body, whatever it is. You know how to make a pitch if you're in a business right now. And so by doing that, from that 1 million people that are watching this video, there's gonna be a lot of traffic going to this video as well. Now let's get into the final deal, which is what kind of content can I post? People on TikTok like to watch things from beginning to end if it's something interesting. Let's say that you have a business about, building boots, right? Or you make boots, whatever. guess what you're gonna do with that? You're gonna just create a video of a booth being creative, or maybe a time lapse from beginning to end. So think about things that you can record behind the scenes on whatever happens in your business, and go ahead and create content with that and post it on the platform. The other thing that you can post on your TikTok account is any previous advertisement that you created for other platforms. If you have been in business for a while, chances are you previously made some sort of ads. And ads, in order to be engaging, it need to be, I don't know, some funny things, or maybe something to get people attention. So guess what? It fits perfectly into the type of content that TikTok likes. So if you have any previous advertisement that was created that you have maybe on your files, on your archives, whatever, just go ahead and upload that to TikTok. And I'm sure that if it's something really good, then you're gonna have a lot of engagement with that advertisement. And eventually, of course, you're gonna get leads, you're gonna get customers, and again, more people following you into other social media platforms. And the last thing that you're gonna create for TikTok, and this is the easiest kind of stuff, is trending content. The only way in which I grew my TikTok account from 0 to almost 500,000 followers in less than 2 months was by doing trending content, nothing else. Over the first few weeks, I didn't create anything about my fitness business. I didn't do any of that. I was just creating trending content, things that people like, simple as that. So those are 3 things that you can post on your page: behind the scenes, previous advertisements that you have created, and trending stuff. Now, before you leave, I just want to say thank you for spending these last few minutes watching this video. Go ahead and drop a like if you found some value on this. And if you really want to help out this channel, just go ahead and subscribe. That's really going to help me grow and keep creating this type of content. So go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.